In the event of a sudden loss of cabin pressure, individual oxygen masks will drop automatically from the panel above your head. If this happens, remain seated. Pull down firmly on the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Don't worry if the bag does not inflate, oxygen is flowing. To secure the mask, pull one end of the strap provided. Adults traveling with young children, please attend to your own mask first. Your life jacket is stowed in a pocket beneath your seat or in the panel above your head. In the unlikely event of landing in water, remove the jacket from its packet and place it over your head. Bring the strap around your waist, clip at the front, and secure by pulling on the loose end of the strap as the crew are now demonstrating. To inflate the life jacket, pull down sharply on the red toggle. There is a mouthpiece for further inflation or deflation and a light to attract attention. Do not inflate your life jacket inside the cabin, as to do so will impede your exit. Further information may be found on the safety card, which is displayed within the area you are seated. Your captain invites you to read this card carefully before departure. Before departure, please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, tray table is in the upright and locked position, armrests down and window blinds open. We recommend for your comfort and safety that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight. There is a call bell, reading light and fresh air vent in the panel above your head. Unless instructed otherwise by your crew, portable electronic devices such as tablets and mobile phones may be used on board during all stages of this flight, providing airplane or flight mode has been selected. Please select airplane or flight mode now. Laptops and larger portable electronic devices must not be used during taxi, takeoff and landing, and must be placed in your cabin baggage, either under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker provided. We would like to remind you that smoking is not permitted and toilets are fitted with smoke alarms. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. We invite you to sit back, relax and enjoy your flight.
observe the fasten seatbelt sign until the captain has switched it off. However, for your safety, we do recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout this flight. For your convenience, you'll find a reading light, pressure vent, and a call bell in the panel above your head. There are 3 toilets aboard this aircraft, 1 here at the front and 2 at the back of the cabin. Toilets will be open for you once the seatbelt sign goes off. And shortly we will start our bar service, offering you a selection of hot and cold drinks, fresh sandwiches, hot food, light snacks, alcoholic beverages. All information about our products can be found in our in-flight menu or Ryanair magazine on the last pages. On today's flight, we do not accept cash for payment. You can only pay by card for your purchase. We accept Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. For now, we invite you to sit back, relax, and please enjoy this flight to Krakow with us. Thank you.